Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to topic 4.6 trading issue. So in this topic, we discuss some of the issues to consider in designing multi-threaded programs. We discuss only on the general issue, regardless the operating system. Hence, we discuss issue number 3 and number 4. Issue number 1 and number 2 applicable on Unix thread, whereas the final issue is belong to Solaris thread. We skip the first issue as well as the second issue. So we look at the thread cancellations. Okay, thread cancellations involve terminating a thread before it has completed. So a thread that is to be cancelled is often referred to as a target, as the target thread. So cancellation of a target thread may occur in two different approaches. The first approach is asynchronous cancellations. So it terminates a target immediately, even if it is in the middle of performing an update. The second approach, deferred cancellations, it informs a thread that it should terminate, but allows the thread to terminate in an orderly fashion. So in most circumstances, deferred cancellations is preferred to asynchronous termination. So thread cancellation in Java uses a policy deferred cancellations. Okay, so to cancel a Java thread, we invoke the interrupt method, which set the interruption status of a target thread to true. A thread can check its interruption status by invoking its interrupted method, which returns a Boolean value of a thread's interruption status. We look at the next issue, thread local storage. Okay. So by default, data is shared in the process. So it is similar to static variable in Java. However, in some circumstances, each thread needs its own copy of a certain data. So don't you think this situation is referred to instance variable? So we call such data thread local storage. So in Java, we create a thread local instance just like we create any other Java object via new operator, because a thread is essentially an object that facilitates the execution of a task. We also can create a thread local with a generic type. Okay, so using a generic type, only object of the generic type can be set as value on the thread local. So in this example, we set a thread local instance in using a strings variable. Strings data type. Okay, so Alhamdulillah, we managed to cover all the topics in chapter 4. So in next video, inshallah, we will start our discussion on chapter 5, CPU scheduling. Thank you for watching.